In this video, I'm going to help you create custom header for a professional website.
Log into a WordPress dashboard. We need two plugins, Elementor and Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Add new plugin. Elementor. Install it. Activate. Now add Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Install it. Activate. On the navigation, come to Appearance, Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Click on Add New. Name your header. I'm going to name it Custom Header Design. Click on Edit with Elementor. You're going to be redirected to the page where you can edit your header. Click on plus icon. Now select two column structure. We are going to use the one with the site logo on the left and on the right navigation menu. Now search for site logo. Drag and drop it in the blank space. Now this is the default logo of the theme. If you want to add your own, just click on it. And click on custom image, select yes. Now choose your image. You can upload it here. I already have it uploaded on the media library. I'm going to use it. I click on select. Now if you want to increase or decrease the size of your logo, just click on it, style, width, and go right and left. Select your desired size. Now come back to search widgets, navigation menu, drag and drop it to the right column. If you want to change text color, just click on it, come to style, look for text color and choose your own color. You can select blue color, or you can use black or even white color. I'm going to use black color. Now if you want to align your menu with your logo, just increase vertical padding. Now if you want to change the background color, click on 6 dots, come to style, and here you have background type. You can choose classic, gradient, video, or slideshow. If you choose classic, it's going to be just one color. If you choose gradient, it's going to have two colors. I'm going to select gradient. Now pick your first color. I'm going to select blue. And second color, let's choose white. Now come back to the first color. And then you can choose lighter or darker color of blue. I'm going to use this one. Once you are done editing your header, just click on publish. Then come back to your WordPress dashboard. Come back to Appearance, Elementor Header and Footer Builder. And here is your new header. Now we need to display it on whatever pages we desire. Just click on Edit. Under Type of Template, choose Header and display on. You can display it on whichever page you desire. I'm going to select all pages. Once you are finished, just click on Update. And your new header is created. Click on View Post. And here it is. Now one last step before we are finished. Come to Settings, Permalinks, and make sure to select Plain and save changes. Otherwise, if you try to edit your header again, you're not going to be able to. Error is going to show up so make sure to select plain.
Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you to create custom header for a professional website. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel.